Hello and welcome to this new course. Today we'll talk about WhatsApp-based home automation. This is Asher from Educational Engineering team. As you know, most of the WhatsApp or any service automation requires monthly payments and it's a pain to connect to. In this course, we will share with you a technique to connect your home automation system to WhatsApp freely without paying anything. We'll also explain how you can do that with any microcontroller that has Wi-Fi capability. By the end of this course, you will be able to achieve connecting your devices to the microcontroller, and you will start receiving messages on your WhatsApp regarding a doorbell ringing or a light off or light on situation or any other situation. We used to use IFTTT for this, but since they limited their free service so much, that is not a workable solution anymore. Now, WhatsApp has a developer program in which you can get access to the API. And by using this and using the free pod that we will introduce today, you will be able to receive unlimited messages on your WhatsApp number for free. Now, let's talk about what you will learn in this course. First, we'll talk about the hardware and software requirements. Then, we will talk about setting up WhatsApp. After that, we will start coding our board, which could be any board. The same code works for Arduino, ESP, and other boards as long as they have Wi-Fi connectivity. Then we will do a practical testing for this code, and we will show you how to control outputs and receive inputs easily through your WhatsApp. I'm sure that at the end of this course, you will learn a lot of new things and you will learn about WhatsApp bots and how they can benefit you in your daily life. Thanks for watching this introduction. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team. See you inside.